Now we are continuing to find out a regression line of y on x. Okay, and in the last video, here there is a mistake. The actually the value of b is equal to 0.40, but here I written it to 0.04. Actually it is 0.40. Okay, 0.40. So now we move towards a regression line or regression equation of y on x. Okay, regression line of y on x, and the formula to find this regression equation is y is equal to a plus bx, and the supporting formulas are sigma y is equal to n a plus b sigma x, and sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x squared. These two formulas are there. To get the value of a and b, we have to solve these two equations under simultaneous equation technique. Okay, we know that from the table sigma y, which is 200, which is written as sigma y, which is 200 here, then na, value of n is 5, so 5a plus sigma x is 75, sigma x is 75, isn't it? So sigma x 75b. Okay, similarly sigma xy is, from the table it is 3400, then sigma x which is 75, so 75a, and sigma x square is 1375, so it is written here 1375b. So two equations are here. As it is, it consists of two variables a and b in both the equation, and we have to cancel any one of the a or b to proceed with this. For that purpose, we should equate either a or b values in the equations to solve it under simultaneous equation technique. Here I select to cancel the value of a. In the first equation it is 5a, and in the second equation it is 75a. In order to cancel the value of a, at first we should equate the value of a. As it is 75a, we have to convert this 5a into 75a, right? In order to convert 5a into, or equate 5a into 75a, we have to multiply it by 15. If you multiply this 5 by 15, it becomes 75, isn't it? So we have to multiply the whole equation by 15. 15 into 200, 3000. 15 into 5a, 75a. 15 into 75b, 1125b. Thus, the first equation is, the whole of the first equation is multiplied by 15. The second equation is written as it appears, 3400 is equal to 75a plus 1375b. Now, the value of a gets equated. It becomes 75 in both the equations. Now we have to cancel this. For cancelling this one, here we have asked both the signs are positive. This is 75a, this is also 75. So it is better to deduct the second equation from the first one. See, 1125b minus 1375b. When we deduct that, we get minus 250b. Then 75a minus 75a, 0. Then 3000 minus 3400, minus 400. Thus we got minus 400 is equal to minus 250b. I took the minus 250b to the left hand side of the equation. It becomes a plus 250b. And this minus 400 to the right hand side, it becomes a plus 400. Therefore it is 250b is equal to 400. Now the value of b is equal to 400 divided by 250. We got it as b is equal to 1.6. Okay. Now we got the value of b as 1.6. It is required to find out the value of a. For that, I am taking the first equation. 200 is equal to 5a plus 75b here. 200 is equal to 5a plus 75b here. And I am applying the value of b 1.6 here. Okay. Now, it becomes 200 is equal to 5a plus 75 into 1.6. 200 is equal to 5a plus 75 into 1.6 provides 120. Okay. And I am taking this 120 to the left hand side. Already 200 is here. Taking this 120 to the left hand side. So 200 minus 120 is equal to 5a. Okay. 200 minus 120 provides 80. 80 is equal to 5a. Therefore, a is equal to 80 by 5. Provides 16. Now, the value of a is also available. Value of b is 1.6 and the value of a is 16. What is the regression equation y1 x? Y is equal to a plus bx. Therefore, y is equal to, what is the value of a? 16. 16 plus the value of b, 1.6 into x. Okay. Now, if the value of x is available, you can simply apply the value in this formula and you can find the value of y. Okay. If you are asked, suppose the x variable is demand and you are given the demand is 2000. You are asked to find a y value. Suppose it is supply. Then you can find the supply by using the value of demand. Okay. If it is given the demand value as x, which is 2000, and you are asked to find the value of supply, which is y, then just apply the 2000 here. Y is equal to, means the supply is equal to 16 plus 1.6 into 2000. Then you will get the value of supply, which is y. Okay, so by applying the value of x, you can find the value of y through this equation. So this is the second equation, second regression equation, which is regression equation or regression line of y on x. Okay, and if you have any doubts regarding this topic, just send your doubts to this number. WhatsApp your doubts to number 924 9966765. See, this regression topic was explained in 3 continuous episodes. Okay, so you have to go through these episodes to get a clear understanding of this regression analysis topic.